Hello viewer on the other side of this screen. Today I'm going to be making homemade weapons and I'm going to be going ahead and testing them out against bottles and stuff. But the main part of the end of the video is I'm going to be tying a rope to a dumbbell and swinging it like a lasso and trying to hit the fridge. Now let's see what happens. But first we are testing out the first weapon, the double-sided hatchets. This is just tape. It can come off easily. It slipped out! Surprisingly, the tool is still hold up. Look how loose this is. It's still holding up. I have a crazier idea. Oh yeah. How? How do I do this? Got a crack right here where the head, you see the mark. Alright, I got some ice. Finish this. No way. Alright, before I actually started filming, somebody had actually tested pew-pew shots on the fridge. As you can see, the little hose right there. I think mine did more damage because, I mean, look at that. My next thing is to drop the fridge. I'm gonna try to drop the fridge. Oh, I did it. I knocked it down. I knocked it down. Oh! That shot back at me. I almost got hit by my own weapon. Right, that's gonna be the last time I hit the back because there's a lot of foam. So I'm gonna try to hit the side. Oh my, that sounded super powerful when it landed. It sounded like a big bong when it landed. This was all the other shots. That was up here today, right now. This was the shot that ended it. You still see the mark of it. Oh, this was back here. We're just gonna leave it there on the floor. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, watching me destroy a fridge. Anyways, see you on the next one. Or y'all see me in the next one if you decide to show up. Oh, I'm getting wet.